Assalamualaikum students and my friends that are watching my video. So we will talk about today firstly programming, what is programming and introduction to programming, and how to use and difference between C language and C++ language, and what is the introduction of programming, problem solving, program advantage of computer programs. So we will today describe briefly explainly we will talk about it. So please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you can get more updates and videos for this. Thanks, and please watching complete video. Firstly, we will talk about introduction of programming. What is introduction? What is programming? What is programming? Program is a software as an instruction that are given to the computer to solve a problem, to run a program, to run everything. So program is a basic part of computer. Soft computer has a two combination, firstly application software and system software. So application software is the problem solving and program. So firstly problem solving. In problem solving we can using C++ or C language we can solve problems of different categories as programs. Firstly we can brief program, and then we can see its advantage of computer program, that what are the advantages of computer program. So next we will briefly explain that algorithm, what is algorithm and what is the procedure codes, what is the why use it procedure codes, and properties of algorithm, advantage of algorithm, why we should use programming, and flowchart is the main and the main purpose to use the computer. Flowchart reduce the chances of to the mistakes in program. So uses of logical programs, there are many logic flowcharts are available in era. Flowchart symbols, what is the flowchart symbols, and guidelines for the drawing flowchart, what is the guidelines for the drawing flowcharts. It's nextly we will briefly explain that the limitations of flowchart, what is the limits, what is the limitations, difference between flowchart and algorithm, what is algorithm and what is flowchart, difference as C++ and C. So there are many languages are available that you can programming in these days, C programming is used for different purposes, and C++ and C language are the top rated languages, computer program languages. So there are many programming languages low level language program, low level language, and then high level language programs. Next languages, there are many available in your area, so you can use different for purposes. Next we will briefly explain about difference between low level language and high level language, what is low level languages and what is high level languages. And nextly natural programming languages also available in this era. Types of codes, what is the codes are the whose purpose, whose numbers that are used, that's who uses in programming and making a program. There are the source program, object program, source code, object code. We can say difference between source code and object code. We also can briefly explain about this at the end of the video. So please subscribe my channel. And next, language processor. The processor mean the whose person who work to the products, about to the things. Next as programming language, processor, compiler, interpreter, assemblers. These are the language processor who transfers language into one language to another language, we give to the data to the computer in high level language, and computer and compiler, object codes, and assembler convert it into the computer languages to understand the computer and as program. Nextly, we will briefly explain programming techniques. What is programming techniques? Structures available in programming, object-oriented, event-designed, virtual programming. Exercise question. There are many. Also, we will do their exercise question. Multiple choice, like full and the full in the blanks, true and false. Introductions. There are a large numbers unavailable. Next, we will introduce about introduction to C++, introduction to C++, history of C, what is C and C++, what is features of C++, in which purposes for C++ we can use, basic structure of C++ programming. Nextly, we will briefly explain that about processor directives and the header files, footer files. There are also available in your area. So make sure that please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you can briefly listen that what is the programming and why should we use programming and what is the main purpose of programming, or why should you need to learn programming. To making a game, you should very expert in e-languages, and like e-languages means that the computer easily understand in uses in nowadays, like as high level language and low level languages. There are available C++, C, Java, COBOL, and there are different types of languages are available in these days that we can use for making programs, making games, making everything, and in use in this era. So please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching for my video. Stay happy and blessed. Best regards. Allah Hafiz.